Hi everyone, it's Rosalie here from Rosalie Yoga, and I'm about to do something really exciting. So a few weeks ago I reached 100,000 subscribers on my YouTube channel on Rosalie Yoga, and YouTube sent me this. Now this is my silver award. I have not opened it, I haven't even peeked at it, because I wanted to invite you to share this moment with me. So let's do it together. And this is my first ever unboxing video, so let's see how it goes. Let's see what's inside. Opening the box. So I have a little letter here, and it says, "Do you remember your first subscriber?" And it probably was my mom or my husband. Nice little letter here. A little card, and this card says, this award was inspected and packaged with great care by Rick. So thank you very much, Rick, for making this possible. And here it is, presented to Rosalie Yoga for passing 100,000 subscribers. Oh my gosh, it's really big. I wasn't expecting it to be this big. So yes, this is my silver award. I'm super honored to receive this, and of course it just wouldn't be possible without all of you guys. And to celebrate this milestone, I have trawled through my archives. I've looked at all of my YouTube videos over the years, and I thought it'd be really fun today just to go through some of the most memorable ones, because Rosalie Yoga started way back in 2015, just as a way of sharing some of my yoga videos when I started out as a yoga teacher with some of my students. And I've come, or at least I'd like to think I've come, a really long way since then. My channel's really grown and evolved from purely yoga or asana to include meditation and yoga nidra, and now astral projection meditations as well. But some of those first videos are really cringy. But why not for this time? To celebrate this milestone, let's just have a look through some of my most memorable videos. Filming in some really weird locations, like here at this bunker in Guernsey, now also known as Splits Pose, in a flotation tank in Jersey in the Channel Islands, and I even did some videos in my little mini called Belle when I lived in Jersey. Exhale to round. And this one always makes me laugh, and it's getting swept away by the waves whilst I was droning. Of course, sharing the screen with some of my cats. So there are just a couple of things I and Millie would like you to avoid in this pose. And this one here is Venus. She was such a loyal little yoga cat, always on my yoga mat. And she was in so many of my yoga videos. She's no longer with us, but I shall cherish her forever. I hosted yoga challenges, shared a hot lemon water hack, and even showed you how to crack a coconut. I produce videos for big events like this charity event, for Hong Kong's biggest yoga and wellness festival, and here I also taught yoga nidra, and a very special spiritual gathering in Hong Kong called the Garden Gathering. And my top video with over 1.1 million views is this. You're just pedaling out through your legs here. This 5-minute yoga video, which I didn't even plan. I just went up on a rooftop and filmed whatever came to my mind, and it's become my best video. But I had to constantly stop filming because we live near the airport and there are planes flying overhead. And close behind is this video. There's an astral projection guided meditation, one of my very first ones. Very proud of this one. I've also had thousands of amazing comments that have really sometimes made me laugh. In one video I said bum cheeks, and it generated so many comments. Could someone just explain to me why it's so funny? For me it's quite normal to say bum cheeks, but yes, let me know why. Most of the comments have just filled me with joy, and most importantly just inspired me to continue to create content for you. I don't get to reply to each comment anymore, but I do read every single one, and if you do take the time to share an experience with me or to leave me a message, I just want to say thank you so much for doing that. I love all your suggestions as well. I do try to get back to everyone, but I'm just unable to answer all the comments anymore. So what's next for Rosalie Yoga? Well, a lot more yoga nidra and astral projection guided meditations that help you explore and experience the immense power of expanded states of consciousness. And thank you so much once again for helping me reach this milestone. I literally couldn't have done it without you. Thank you for watching all of these years and for all of you that have been a part of my YouTube journey. Thank you.